You sneeze in public in America and 4 strangers will say, "Bless you." But say, "I'm depressed." Silence. So we're hanging out. My buddy sneezes. Everyone reacts like it's a national emergency. "Bless you. Are you okay? Do you need water?" Then someone says, "Man, life's been kinda hard lately." Everyone just freezes. No one says a word. One guy coughed awkwardly. Another started scrolling his phone. I said, "Bro, sneeze again. They'll care more." In America, emotional support equals tissue paper. If you want videos like this, subscribe to the channel and keep following it.